Hi, this is Anu and welcome to my channel Anu Loves Art. Our floral world has beauty, harmony, colors, textures and patterns. Today in the fourth episode in our series Joy of Drawing, let's learn how to draw flowers. Let's start with this flower. First draw a reference circle and start drawing petals. These are teardrop shaped petals. 5 petals. Now if you want to draw this without looking at a reference image, you can draw a reference circle and then these curvilinear lines for petals. Now complete these petals. The main feature of this flower is the overlapping petals, and this is the flower. Draw some more details. Now try to look at the flower from a different angle and try to draw it. Now let's color. We can use color pencils. It's a white flower with a bright yellow center. Use a darker color pencil to add some shadows to create some depth. And here, this is your Plumeria flower. Now try to observe the leaf. It is also teardrop shaped. Try to draw the leaf. If you look at the flowers on trees, you see them, they come in big bunch. Try to observe and draw these flowers along with the leaves. I'm using watercolors to color them. This is a painting that I created. Here I have not used any pencil. I've just used watercolors and painted these Plumerias. Now this is a different variety of flower. These are deep red in color. The petals are slightly different in shape. Here I am going to use color pencils to create the dark maroon color. This is another variety. This is slightly bigger in size. Petals are also different. I'm going to start with the reference circle and try to draw these petals. I'm using watercolor, wet on wet, wet on dry technique to create the gradation. And this is the flower. Let's draw this bright orange hibiscus flower. Let's start by doing a rough sketch. Here the petals are overlapping, however the shape is different. Try to add the details. Try to turn around and try to see if you can draw the flower from a different angle. This will help you understand the placement of the petals. This is another variety, bright red color. The petals are slightly spread out. It's also smaller in size. Observe the leaf. Try to draw the leaf. Now you understand how to draw hibiscus flower. So you can draw this without using any reference image. Try to look at the details. Look at the petals carefully. Try to observe the shape of the petal. Now I'm going to color this using watercolors. I'm going to use wet on wet technique to create the gradations just as I did in Plumerias. For this, I'm going to use color pencils. You can also use pencil shading if you don't want to use colors. You can use soft pastels and create gradients. So here you can see variety of hibiscus flowers. Let's start with roses. First with rose buds, simple triangular form with petals. Now observe the rose. It has dense petals inside and then loose petals outside. Try drawing simple spiral in the center and then tight petals and then spread out petals, overlapping petals, increasing in size. Now observe the rose. Now try to draw the rose from a different angle. Observe the leaves, the shape, the size. Now try to draw the rose from a side angle. Now let's color our roses using different shades of color pencils.
Ikebana is a Japanese art of flower arrangement. It encourages using what nature has to offer, even dry branches. It focuses on lines and shapes. It depicts the beauty of flowers and branches. I'm sharing Ikebana flower arrangement by my friend Padmaja Kulkarni. Padmaja also uses fresh flowers from our garden, presses them using heavy books, and then laminates them to create beautiful bookmarks and greeting cards. You can create some unique art pieces using simple floral patterns and mixed media. I hope you found this video interesting. If you like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel Annu Loves Art. Until next time, bye-bye.